For English subtitles, click here. In this video, I want to tell you about myself. And I wish to do this with the present simple tense only. So, I start here. I like to travel. I try to travel as much as I can every year. I love to go to big cities and I love to go to different countries all over the world. This is the first thing that I like to do. Let's go see some other things that I like to do. Here. Hey, I like to mow. I like to garden too. It's a nice way to enjoy your day. I also like to plant flowers and, take care of the lawn and grass and trees and bushes. So, I like to garden.
This is a World Trade Center bound E-train. The next stop is 50th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
New York. This is where I'm from. When I'm here, I like to walk around. I travel to different places. I like to explore the city. I do that when I ride the train or I just freely and casually walk around. Another thing that I like to do is watch people create things or just play sports like these gentlemen here or these people here in the park. There's many things you can see in New York when you walk around and you sightsee. So that's another thing I like to do. I like to sightsee in my own city. Basketball, another interest of mine. I like to play, dribble, and shoot. That's 3 verbs for you. I have to tuck my tie in for this one. What? Almost. That one. Exercise. This is another thing that I like to do as well. I like to bench press. Well, I don't like to bench press, but I do it when I can. And I do pull-ups. I do exercising for my whole body. I build muscle. I like to build muscle mass throughout my whole body. And I do that when I bench or I do pull-ups or other exercises to help my body. In addition to that, I like to listen to music. Actually, I love to listen to music. I like to make music as well. I play the guitar and the bass. I love to strum the guitar and pluck the bass whenever I have the chance, or vice versa. You can't really strum the bass, but I try to experiment. Also, I love to DJ. That is my favorite thing to do. Playing different kinds of music together whenever I get a chance. Okay, so during this presentation, you heard me use the present simple tense. Try to watch the video again, listen, and count the amount of times you heard the present simple tense and see how many verbs you come up with. See ya.